How to make $1 million by the age of 30. Hi. Today we're going to discuss an exciting topic that many of us dream about. How to make $1 million by the age of 30. Achieving financial success is a common aspiration, and I'm here to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to turn that dream into a reality. 1. Setting clear goals. The journey to making $1 million begins with setting clear and achievable goals. 1.1 Define your financial goals. The first step is to define your financial goals. Ask yourself why you want to make $1 million and what you want to do with that money. Whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, or investing for the future, clarity is key. Write down your goals, both short-term and long-term, and make them specific, measurable, and time-bound. 1.2 Create a financial plan. With your goals in mind, it's time to create a financial plan. Determine how much money you need to make each year to reach your $1 million target by 30. This plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding your financial decisions along the way. 1.3 Build a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you're saving and investing as much as possible towards your goal. Section 2. Increase your income. Once you've set your financial goals and established a plan, it's time to focus on increasing your income. 2.1 Pursue high-paying careers or businesses. Look for career opportunities or start a business in industries that offer higher earning potential. Acquiring valuable skills and staying competitive in the job market is crucial. 2.2 Multiple income streams. Consider diversifying your income sources. This could include side gigs, freelance work, investments, or passive income streams like rental properties. 2.3 Continuous learning and career growth. Invest in yourself through education and professional development. Staying ahead of the curve can lead to promotions and higher paying opportunities. Section 3. Save and invest wisely. Earning money is only part of the equation. Now, let's talk about how to save and invest wisely. 3.1 Emergency fund. Start by building an emergency fund. Having a financial cushion will prevent you from dipping into your investments when unexpected expenses arise. 3.2 Invest for the long term. Invest a significant portion of your income in assets that grow over time. Consider options like stocks, real estate, and retirement accounts. 3.3 Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce vulnerability to market fluctuations. Section 4. Minimize expenses and debt. To accelerate your journey to $1 million, it's essential to minimize expenses and manage debt. 4.1 Frugal living. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. Cut unnecessary expenses and make wise spending choices. 4.2 Eliminate high-interest debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debts like credit card balances. This will free up more money for savings and investments. 4.3 Build good credit. Establish and maintain a good credit history. A strong credit score can help you secure better financial opportunities. Section 5. Entrepreneurship and investments. Now, let's explore entrepreneurial opportunities and strategic investments. 5.1 Start a side business. Consider starting a side business. It can generate additional income and potentially grow into a full-time venture. 5.2 Strategic investments. Make informed investment decisions. Research and consider opportunities that align with your financial goals. 5.3 Real estate investments. Real estate can be a lucrative investment. Explore options like rental properties, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding. Section 6. Stay committed and stay patient. As you progress toward your goal of making $1 million, it's important to remain committed and patient. 6.1 Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to your financial plan and continue making smart choices. 6.2 Reinvest and reevaluate. Reinvest your earnings to fuel your growth. Periodically reassess your goals and financial strategy. 6.3 Seek guidance. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial experts. They can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make $1 million by the age of 30. Remember, it won't be easy, but with clear goals, hard work, and smart financial decisions, you can turn your dream into a reality. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more valuable content on financial freedom and wealth building. Thanks for watching.